Hi guys, so I want to talk to you today about struggles with your website. So if you're facing struggles with not being found on the search engine, that your message isn't clear in your site, or that maybe you haven't done something right, but you don't know what it is, right? Because we're not techies, we're not coders, right? So if you want to find these problems and be able to solve them, then wouldn't it be good to have a system that does it for you? So in this case, I have a system that I have created for you, and we're going to be using AI to do this. And what's even better about it is it's a free tool that I'm allowing you guys to use, right? So we're going to be using ChatGPT. If you're on a free plan, there's a free audit. If you're on a paid ChatGPT plan, there's more of a deeper dive and it goes into massive details as I'm about to show you. So one of the biggest struggles that course creators, coaches face when they come online is, okay, so they've created a site and they think it looks amazing, and it does look amazing, but maybe there's something wrong because there's no traffic, there's no sales, there's nothing getting to you, and you just don't know what's going on. You're trying to market and shout about your site, it's not being found, and you don't really know what the problem are. Then having a tool that will actually help you diagnose those problems is going to be massively in your favor. So that's why I wanted to do something so you could use it free of charge. You can use it with a free GPT plan, although it's not deep, and a much deeper plan. So I'm going to jump straight in there now. Let's just get straight in there. You can get this plan if you follow the link in the description, guys. You can sign up for this. So if you are a coach, you're a creator or a mentor, well, we at Zenler offer you free training on whether you're on or off the platform, right? We want you to be on the platform with us because it's the best platform on the planet, right? Hands down. But you have to find that out for yourself. So you can join up for Zen for free for 30 days and play around with it. You can talk to us guys about it as well, and you'll see that it's just amazing what you get. You just one subscription and you get everything in it to run your business. Marketing funnels, you can run lives, you don't need any extra subscriptions, you can live stream to your community, you can have your own private community, create blogs, website, courses, memberships, coaching plans, anything you want to do. So anyway, let's jump straight into this. That's my little bit of marketing. We don't hard sell here, so you guys can just try it all out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flick my screen up and we're going to have a look at this now. Okay guys, so here we are. Right, so this is the link that you're going to get to come to this GPT. So at the moment, you're going to see that I'm actually on a free plan. Can you see that down there? I'm on the free plan on this course here. You can see it's a free plan. So I would not opt for the paid plan, right? Because it's a much deeper dive and you'll run out of credits, and it will take you literally 7 days to complete it because there's much more detail, many more questions. So I'm just going to jump into that. I have a free plan, and what you're going to see is now it's just going to come up. It's going to give you a series of questions that you're going to answer. Okay, just 4 questions, and it will get you underway and it will help you. So this is with a free plan. We're going to do a deep dive on the next plan after, but I'm just going to run this now with a URL. So what I'm doing, you can run this for competitor websites as well, not just your own. So I'm just going to choose a life coach, right? Okay, so we're just going to find outside the sponsored links. We're going to find this local life coach opportunities, right? So these are quite good. Life coach lessons. Let's put life. I'm a life coach. Let's put courses, right? Okay, let's do that. Let's see the first one that comes up. Just do an audit what they're doing. It should be quite good because it's got higher results. I'm not going to go for the sponsored results, by the way. So let's go in here. This is, let's hide the sponsors. Go to the first one here. So got National Career Service, counseling, become a certified life coach, coaching academy. This looks good. Okay, so we've got this coaching academy here. This will be a good one to choose. So, because you can do this for competitors as well as your own website. So I'm going to say I'm on the free plan because I'm on the free plan. You can see down there. So you need to be logged in and on a free plan or a paid plan. So if I had the paid plan, I click this one. If I have the free plan, I'll click this one. So let's go on here and click and get this to generate stuff out. So it's going to ask me first, free audit. It's going to ask me what my URL is. I've entered it here and I'm going to click this. And now it's going to ask me 3 more questions. So it's what's the primary goal of your website right now? Let's see what this primary goal of this, our coaching diplomas. It's probably going to be get the courses, isn't it? So make sales. Let's go and say make sales, okay? Or generate leads, which is what most sites want to do. Let's click that. Let's now move on. Perfect. 3 of 4. What's your primary target audience? Let's say coaches. It's pretty clear what it is for them. And move forwards. Intake 4. Do you currently have a primary offer on the site? So it's asking what our primary offer is. So unsure where to start. Let's have a look. Our program diplomas. Probably their top offer, and click enter. Okay, so now what it's going to do, it's going to look at those and it's going to put it all together. So here we go. This is the free one, GPT free audit. So it's given us their overall score, 6.5 out of 10, which is pretty good actually. Strong authority and credibility, but conversion, clarities and SEO. So even this top one that's performing well in Google has got some identifying problems. Unclear primary conversion path. So multiple diplomas and programs are presented, but there is no dominant next step. And it's true, there isn't. So message is too broad for coaches. So it's very specific. That's not a bad thing, right? Because they are specifically targeting and they've reached that. So above the fold value, the homepage doesn't immediately answer within 5 seconds. Who's it for? What's the outcome? So if we have a look at this, we can probably see that for itself inside here. So, you know, the UK's leading provider of accredited life coaching courses and training. Well, I pretty much think that says what it is, right? So it can be vague on these things, but it gives you a very clear thing to do. So top 10 recommended to define one primary CTA. This is very good for starting off as well, right? This audit. So start here for coaches, funnel page. So it's telling you, look, it's giving you a lot of information. Bottom line, got strong credibility, and there you go. So really, really powerful. Now let's have a look at the in-depth one through a paid plan. Okay, let's go to my GPT model. And we're going to say we've got a pay plan. So you're going to see this is a lot more detailed with what we do. There's actually 9 questions in this. So I'm going to put our website in here, which is here. Okay. And we're going to start answering these questions. So there's a lot more going on with this, right? It builds a really detailed report for you. I'm going to put trial signups. Not so much capture leads, like trial signups, right? Well, it's actually all of the above, mixed, broad range. So I'm going to go. Okay, so that's pretty good. Broad range, creating courses, what's a membership, private community, or who run lives. So first thing you want people to do when they visit the website again, you know, what do you want them to do? I want them to start a free trial immediately, right? Okay, that's number 1 goal, to get people on the platform so we can start to help. So primary visit, what do you believe is the biggest reason visitors might hesitate or not buy? So maybe let's say on already using another platform, maybe. Trust, credibility, it's a new platform, though it's not, but it's to some it might seem they might have only just found it. So trust or credibility. Too many features. It could be a mix of these, right? I'm going to put a mix down. Could be a mix of them. Let's just hit this. Understood. Main hesitation, mixed. So who is your main competitions? So it's given us all our competition. Let's just go for the big one. Let's go for Kajabi. Okay, because it's going to compare everything. So let's go for big one there. Noted primary competitor identifies Kajabi. Do you currently run paid traffic ads? Yeah, we do. Not a lot, but we do. So I'm going to put yes to these two. So I'm going to copy them and just paste them in here. Okay. So we don't run a lot at the moment, but currently ramping that up. Do you have a specific page or traffic sent to? So I guess the trial sign up page, right? So at this point you could go, right, okay, let's go into the pricing plan and let's go start trial. And I could put this down here, right? So I could choose this, the pricing page. Let's go trial sign up. So price page. So I've just told it, right? It's not really going through straight to the sign up. It's going through to the page price. So let's click that. And perfect. So paid traffic. Finally, final question. Do you have access to basic analytics data? So yes or no. Conversion. It might ask us for that, but of course we do for those three. I'm just going to put yes. Okay. That's good. So what's it doing now? It's going to run this complete audit, and you're going to see that this is really hyper detailed, right? And with the paid version of GPT, you can also download this as a PDF, which is kind of cool. So let's let it run. Right, okay, so you can see there's too many value proposed because Zenler covers courses, memberships, live classes, community. It's trying to focus this on one point at a time. Now, I'm not so much worried about that because Zenler has lots of landing pages specifically for certain people that want to run courses, memberships or communities. And this is something that we're carrying on working on. So some of these are not important, but others are. So above the fold, in maybe the CTA is not dominant enough. Competes with the navigation, competes with the explanation, competes with the comparison. So again, fix strong CTA action. So these are valid points coming through. Pricing pages doing too many jobs. Explain features, compare prices. This is kind of a standard, right? So we know this works. But interesting, not as an education page, as a conversion page. So there's little things that you can pull out of this. Comparison with Kajabi is not aggressive enough, right? So we're not aggressive, right? That's us. So it's how we are. Okay. Why switch? But we do have blogs on this as well. Maybe I needed to feed the blog page in there as well to tell it that actually we've got competitor and alternatives. Trust signals underutilized. You like to have thousands of users, case studies, long market, but trust is not immediately felt. Yes, that's something that we have a ton of reviews and we need to get them across and on the site so it makes it more trustworthy. It's a valid point. It's a very valid point, right? So there's some good things coming out of this that could definitely change the way that you've got this stuff going. Because if we look down here, right, you're going to see that we have Melissa and she's saying how good it is, but that's really the only testimonial that we kind of have on the page. There's some down here, okay, but there's not many, right? I don't know how many we've got, 5 or 6, when we could have a ton more. Maybe it could be done, maybe there could be a link as well going through to a pure testimonial page. Although we have our Trustpilot link on here as well, that does go on there. So some points are valid, some are not. Okay, paid traffic mismatch. So let's go down to the 12 highest impacts. So it's going to tell us what to do, right? And it's going to go through here and tell us all of these recommended steps. So this can really help you move forwards, and it can help you with how your business is looking. It can give you a sort of impartial view of how it's looking. It can also give you a really good the conversion score as well. That's really high actually, you know, so that's actually really good. That's not a bad thing. If it's at 78, that's good, and we're working on it, so we should get it up to 85 or something or higher. So pretty good conversion rate really overall. It's good, right? So you might find a ton of things coming up in your site. You might find that you've got issues with alt tags on images. You might have multiple H1 tags in a page. These could be really helpful for you, whether you run the short version of the audit or the longer one. So guys, really hope that's going to be super useful for you. So if you want to get access to this, you're going to have to just sign up for us. We will send you emails telling you about the Zen, the platform. So if you're not with us, you can see what we offer, and you can come through for a free paid trial and maybe meet us guys in one of the workshops. We'd love to see you. So take care and enjoy this tool. It can really help you guys.